Everyone who codes, whether that be a vibe coder or someone who is touching code for the very first time, should write their very first line of code. And it's very common for that to be hello world. So we're going to go through three very simple options for writing hello world. This will be a very quick video and we're just going to fly through them. The three options we're going to go through are just straight from the terminal, from the interactive Python shell, and then we're going to be running it from a Python file as well. So here you can see I've got my terminal already pulled up. This will be very easy. I'm going to type Python 3-C quotes print single quote, and then I'm going to put hello world single quote and parenthesis, close my double quotes, enter. And you can see here, it printed hello world. And now, just so you know, if I hit the up button, it'll show back up. But I can change this to print whatever I want, right? Hello coders, and I can hit enter, and it's gonna print it out too, just so you know. So the next way we can do this is through an interactive Python shell. So to get that to show up, we're going to write Python 3. And you know we're in the interactive Python shell because there are those three little lines. So from here, you don't need to write all of the fancy Python 3-C in order to get this to happen. You just have to write print parenthesis single quote hello world single quote end parenthesis enter. And again, you can see that we see hello world. And same thing here. You close that up, you can write, hey there, and it's going to print right out. Now to exit out of the interactive Python shell, you just write exit, parentheses with nothing in there, enter, and you're back to your regular terminal. So the next way we can do this, or the last way we can do this, is to running this from an actual Python file. So the third and final way that we are going to do this is through running just a Python file. So I have cursor pulled up here, and all we're going to do is create a hello.py file and then run that file. So I'm in the hello-world directory, and then I'm going to create a file by clicking the new file, and I'm just going to name this hello.py and then hit enter. And as you can see, this created me a brand new file. If it's .py, it's a Python file. And all I'm going to put in here is print, and I can actually tab because it knew exactly what I was going to say, print hello world. And since this is auto-saving, I can then go down to this terminal that I already have running, and I am just going to put Python 3 space, and then I'm going to put the name of the file, hello.py. And as you can see, it printed the output of that file. Essentially, we're just saying run that file. So if this file were named hello world, I would have put Python 3 hello world.py and it would have run. But it's as simple as that in order to get your first line of code running. And that was three ways for you to do it very quickly. And again, even if you're a vibe coder and you're like, Claude does it for me, I don't need to know how to code, it's actually very satisfying to be able to do that. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more and we'll chat soon.